Nissan Juke come to us with a unit that shows secure, system is locked, red. Please contact your dealer. Sometimes shows system is locked, green. Any of these issues, if you have a problem similar, you can get in touch. We offer repair services while you wait or mail in. We've done a separate video showing how to remove the unit. You can see it on our channel in case you want to send the unit to us, or if you are local to us, feel free to drive to us. You don't need to remove the unit, we can code it back to the car. In case you have any questions regarding this issue, get in touch with us. We can offer support one-to-one with the engineer, which will explain you the process and what we will do to get this sorted. Thanks for watching. Bye.